Today I am shooting my video again because of in my previous video I told you nowadays I am learning English, so that is why I am shooting my video, and I shoot my video again and again. That is why nowadays I am practicing alone because I don't have partner, so that is why I shoot my video, and after that I watch my video with myself, and I upload video on my YouTube also, because I want to know my mistakes. That is why I upload videos on the YouTube also. So in my previous video I told about how to learn English with very easily. So I think nowadays I am also learning, so I think if I will practice daily at least 10 to 20 minutes daily, so it will help more. And nowadays I am also learning, so I practice daily at least 1 to 2 hour at our home, and then sometime I go to front of mirror, and I speak there front of mirror, and sometime I open my camera and I speak some words to know my mistakes. And I think nowadays I am comfortable with speak English on the camera and on mirror also, but I want to, but I don't know how. So I think nowadays I am watching videos from Sunshine channel. I think it is really very great for me, and nowadays I am not able to buy, but after some time I am thinking about buy chat GPT, because it is I will have to purchase this app, and then I will study more and more at with my study, because some before some time I thought always how to speak English, how to learn English, because environment is very important to learn English, but it is not compulsory. If you have not any partner, so you can't speak English. Of course you can speak English with the help of our mirror and so that is why nowadays I am improving my English a lot, because of I practice front of mirror and camera also. So thank you guys. Today I spoke well or not, I don't know, so please let me know in the comments section, and please comment me, and thank you. Bye bye.